Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I am on for the final reveal and final look of the feelookart diamond painting that I did for this company. They did reach out to me to do an unboxing and product review, and I did do that the 1st of December. Then later on in the month, towards the end of the month, I believe I did a partial reveal, and now I'm all finished with it. So I just wanted to remind you about the company name here, and let me see here. They are, I'm looking for the, oh, here we go. Just looking very quickly to show you their social media and their website information right there. I will have my 2 videos linked down below, as well as this particular diamond painting. And this one is called Christmas Kitten Wreath, okay? And I do have a ton of diamond dots left over. And I understand that when they send you the diamond dots, they always send you extra in case you have any problems or you lose any. This is one of the boxes my sister Lisa gave me in a Lisa Craft Room haul. And you can see it holds 1 through 44 different colors. And this pack happened to have 45, so I have number 45 in the little plastic bag there. So those are all the extra diamond dots I have left over. And here is my finished kitty wreath. I think it turned out really, really gorgeous. When I shared it the last time, this part was not done, but you can see it's all done now. So, so pretty, sparkly and gorgeous. And yeah, it was a lot of work, but it was the perfect project for me to do during downtime when I wasn't feeling good. And yeah, I got it done a lot faster than I expected. I thought it would take me months to do a diamond painting this large, because the only one I've ever done before was like, I don't know, maybe 8 by 8 or 12 by 12. It was really small. So yeah, this is the completed diamond painting. Let me reduce the screen down a little bit so you can see the whole thing. So here is my kitty in the wreath. Very, very pretty. And just for the fun of it, I'm going to insert a picture of my Kiki so you can kind of compare. He looks somewhat like this. I mean, not exactly, obviously, but this is a nice little reminder of him. And I'm not sure how I'm going to frame it or where I'm going to hang it. But yeah, there it is. I was very happy with the product, and I will have the information about the website and their affiliate program down below. I am not an affiliate. I don't plan to be an affiliate because diamond painting is not my go-to craft, but I really did enjoy doing this, and I had no trouble with it whatsoever. So if you're interested, check out the description box and leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this diamond painting. I'd love to hear. So thanks for watching. Thanks for catching the series of the 3 videos I did. I really appreciate your support, and I will catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.